Call in advance. At times, shareholders pay a part or the whole of the amount of the calls which are not made by the company. The amount which is received from the shareholders in advance is known as calls in advance. The amount received in advance is a liability of the company and should be credited to call in advance account. The amount received as call in advance will be adjusted towards the payment of calls when they become due. The journal entries for the calls in advance would be: when the calls become due, then the entry would be done as follows. Calls in advance account is shown as a separate item under the title Equity and Liabilities in the company's balance sheet, under the head Current Liabilities, under Other Current Liabilities. If mentioned in the articles, to pay interest on call in advance from the date of its receipt up to the date when appropriate call is due for payment. The entry would be done as follows. For payment of interest, for interest due, for interest paid. Oversubscription. At times, there are situations when applications for more shares of a company are received than the number of shares offered to the public to subscribe. Generally, it happens in the case of a well-established company or the companies which are financially strong, and is called as a case of over.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.